Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Lamborghini Urus in Rocket League. To acquire this exclusive vehicle, you'll need to purchase its dedicated bundle directly from the game's item shop. This method is straightforward and ensures you receive all the associated items. Remember, these special collaborations are often time-sensitive, so act quickly when it's available. The Lamborghini Urus bundle typically costs 2,000 credits, offering excellent value for its contents. Inside, you'll find the sleek Urus car body, 2 distinct sets of Urus wheels, and its authentic engine audio. Additionally, the bundle includes a themed player banner and a stylish antenna to complete your look. These items are exclusive to the bundle, ensuring a unique in-game experience. Purchasing the Urus is simple. From the main menu, head over to the item shop. Look for the Lamborghini Urus bundle, select it, and then confirm your purchase using your available in-game credits. Once acquired, you can easily equip the Urus car body, wheels, and other items from your garage, ready to hit the arena in style. It's crucial to remember that the Lamborghini Urus bundle is a limited-time offer, so keep an eye on the item shop for its return. The Urus car body utilizes the popular Octane hitbox, making it familiar for many players. Also, for those looking to enhance their home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals. Don't miss out on these opportunities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.